Hi guys, welcome to another video. So this is the all new Pulsar 150 twin disc model. So let's see what are the differences and the specification changes Bajaj has done in this new 2021 edition. Let's start the video. So guys, this is the all new 2021 Pulsar twin disc. Let's see what are the new things that Bajaj has done in this bike. So the first thing is the headlamp, and it remains exactly the same without any changes. The same halogen unit with pilot lamps and your bulb indicators. Now this mudguard is a bit different from the single disc. It gets this extra part and it has this design, so it looks quite cool and sporty. Now coming on to the front tire, it is a 17-inch at front 90 section tire. Now this tire is from Eurogrip. This disc you're seeing, it's a 280mm disc with single channel ABS. Now if you come at the rear, you will see that it gets not one but twin horns, which can be really handy, and it is quite loud. This is your catalytic converter with additional protector. Now here is your belly pan. Now the engine is a 149cc single cylinder air cooled motor that makes 14 PS of power and 13.25 Nm of total peak torque at 6500 rpm, and the performance is quite mid-range-ish. It is mostly focused in the mid-range performance, so you can watch my review of this, the ride review. It will come soon after this video. So the foot peg position is quite in the center set, which means you will be quite comfortable on this bike, and the pillion footrest is also kept well, so the pillion will also feel quite comfortable. The silencer remains exactly the same. Here is your twin gas charged nitrox suspension, which can be adjustable according to yours preferable. So here is your normal swing arm, the 230mm disc with RLP rear wheel lift protection. Now this tire is a good 120 section fat rubber, again from the house of Eurogrip. Now this rubber really looks good and it has threads like an on-off-road tire. Here is your Pulsar tail lamp. It's a complete LED unit with bulb indicators. Now coming on to the grab rails. Now I have a little complaint. I mean, this grab rails actually looks pretty good because the tail section is quite edgy, but the usability factor is kind of less. I mean, the grab rails, if they have been a bit wider, then it would be much better to grip them. Although the seat, especially the pillion seat and the driver seat, both are quite comfortable. Comes with a split seat setup, so both will be really comfortable on this seat, and the seat is quite long enough. Coming on to the tank, it gets tank pad. Now this mesh is exactly the same mesh that is provided here in the side panel. The tank capacity is 15 liters, which means there will be less fuel stop in the fuel station, and the Pulsar 150 actually gives pretty good mileage, so there is no compromise in that. Coming on to the instrument cluster, it gets a new kind of instrument cluster, gets a backlit blue color. Now it has a few additional changes like the average fuel efficiency, side stand indicator, and see here, low battery, your average fuel, speedometer, odometer, the fuel meter. Here is your indicators, neutral, high beam, low beam, ABS. Here is your fuel injection system, the RPM limit. So the digital analog cluster still looks good, but they could have provided a complete digital unit. You have a button to reset everything. Coming on to the handlebar, it gets a clip-on handlebar, which is a raised clip-on, so it would be quite comfortable for you in the long runs. You will sit quite upright and you will not lean forward, so that's a pretty good thing. The switches are backlit switches, and it gets pass here, high beam, low beam, indicators, horn. Here is your engine kill switch, and here is your ignition switch. Guys, the weight of this bike is 150 kilos, which is 1 kilo lighter than the 180cc sibling, and the ground clearance is 165 mm. Now this Pulsar is costing around 1.21 lakhs. So I'm talking about the on-road price in Hyderabad. The price may be varying like 1 to 1000 rupees depending upon the location that you stay. For that, you need to contact your nearest dealership. Again, if you are from Hyderabad, you can just have a look at the description below, so I'll provide the dealer's contact there. You can have a look at that, and you can actually directly contact the dealer and ask for whatever the quotation this bike actually quotes. So again, if you like this video, please do like, comment and share with your friends, so they will also get an idea about this new generation Pulsar, and if they want to buy it, they can easily buy it through the links given in the description. So again guys, for more videos like this, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's meet in another video.